Alright, so it's a beautiful day. I'll work on the radial arm saw top. So let's get started. Here she is. Right there. In case you guys need to repair your top at home, you need a 11mm and a screwdriver. Alright, got the lock washer and the nut. Alright, this thing's ready to come off. Bag here. Alright, here we go. Just like that. Ooh, got some rust forming there. That ain't good. Huh. So there was a screw there, not there no more, and there was supposed to be a screw there. Looks like it was never put in. Interesting. Well, let's put the new top on and see how she looks first. Alright, there we go. Now remember, there's a board here that goes right here, so I gotta cut that. But that looks alright. That's not too bad. That looks pretty sharp. A lot bigger than the other table. I think that for sure. I like it. As you see, the Rust-Oleum really did a good number on all this rust here. I mean, just take a wire wheel and that'll come right off. And then that column will be nice and clean. But that's gonna do it all for this episode. So, if you guys like this content and you want to see more of this, please hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. Alright, later.